Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need level 25 or higher, the quest trigger item, and harbor access unlocked. Once you have those, head to the dock and talk to the dockmaster to accept the quest. Make sure to equip a light source and rope because parts of the pier are obstructed and dark, and carry one anti-corrosion potion for rusted mechanisms. Beginning now saves backtracking. Follow the map marker from the dockmaster and move straight to the first waypoint to trigger the scripted. You now face the central puzzle sequence. Approach the stacked crates and pry them open to reveal a hidden key and a ledger. Read the ledger to note the buoy color order. Once read, go to the floating buoys and align them in the ledger order. 2, then 3, then 1 to unlock the channel. After alignment, locate the pressure valve under the east platform and turn the wheel counterclockwise exactly 4 times to lower the gangplank. Once done, collect the lowered chest and prepare for the combat trigger that follows. You finish by confronting the dock guardian. Engage using hit-and-run tactics and interrupt its charge move to avoid heavy damage. Once its health falls low, use your highest damage ability to end the fight and loot the dock legend emblem. After collecting the emblem, return to the dockmaster to hand it in and receive final rewards. If the guardian or puzzles bug out, leave the area, wait 30 seconds, and re-enter to reset scripts. This reliably clears most state glitches, so you can redo the sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.